What's up, it's your boy Real Deal. I told you I would do a recap of this great Apex Edition Bronco when we got it back for more additional work, and that's exactly what we did. We took the Ford Bronco on the back and had it painted the exact same gold as the fuel block wheel. Did the same thing over here on your emblem combo. Looking so legit, y'all. That's that detail stuff that we love. We were 2-inch lifted on 35s and 17s. We got the Bronco script on the side, did it in gold as well. It's so elegant, it looks so good. Got the A-pillar lights up top and also gold on the front Bronco lettering. Looks amazing, y'all. I'm truly loving the way this gold and black really just pops and is so subtle, but yet elegant. If you pick a certain gold wheel that's too vibrant, too gold, not more bronzy like this fuel block, it wouldn't work. So I just think that this finish from the fuel wheel is the perfect overall balance for just a great appeal and rugged look. Incorporated the rigid triple fog kit. We're actually using the Raptor kits on those from the 17 and up. Tweaking our own bracket for this, y'all. The AT3 tires from Toyo, and this fuel block, as I mentioned, is 17x9. Plus one on the offset, so the mild to wild scale, it sits perfect to me on this Outer Banks with the painted fenders, just sticking out a good 3.5 inches. So it's got a great overall stance in my opinion. I know she's been enjoying it, going to the beach with it this weekend, so I can't wait to hear all the people that have seen this thing and just are admiring it. What a day it's been. Today's my off day, it's Thursday, but let me say something. There's no off days for Real Deal. Real Deal is locked in every day. So just know that I'm always working for you, always bringing you the latest content, and always dreaming up the next custom build. Right here at Akins and Willies in Winder, Georgia. Thanks for watching, y'all. So much appreciated. Peace out.